Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. In today's video, I have something truly special for you. Today, we are going on an exciting journey into the world of short hairstyles. If you have been searching for amazing ideas for the pixie cut or style your short hair flawlessly, you have come to the right place. Let me be your trusted guide as you navigate this process, helping you achieve a maximizing attention grabbing goal. Ladies, you all know how important our hair is in defining our unique style and boosting our confidence. That's why I have carefully put together a collection of enchanting styling tips and ideas that will completely captivate you with these new techniques. You will witness the magical transformations of your hair, empowering you with a strong sense of beauty and grace. Get ready to be spellbound as you witness the breathtaking transformation unfolding before your eyes. I apologize for any background noise in my hair, please bear with me, and I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Now, let's dive into the heart of the matter. I have created a lovely array of short hair styling ideas exclusively for you. These hairstyles are not just trendy, they're also very powerful steps. They are tailor-made to tailor to your hair shape as desired. Whether you are leaning towards a thick bob, pixie cut, or any other similar short haircut, brace yourself for an unparalleled journey to the kingdom of style and self-exploration. Let's take a moment to appreciate the remarkable charm of grayish color, whitish color, and blackish color. Can you imagine the luxury that these shades will bring to your hair? The blend of black and gray exudes timeless appeal, indulging in sophistication and charm. Prepare to be done with the best of the best hairstyling ideas, carefully created for your exclusive satisfaction. To offer you a glimpse of the wonders that await, I have modern to elegant. You'll find the perfect inspiration to channel your unique style. So grace yourself, unleash your inner fashionista. Let your short hair claim its rightful place in the spotlight. No matter where your journey takes you. We want to build a family background our main goal is to provide you with an entertaining and visually appealing fashion video. Your support and feedback are greatly appreciated. As we approach the point of this captivating video, I want to